Hello there. I still have a crazy cough, but I am just wanted to give you a little short, quick video of Chapter 8. It is about the media and how the media, and I'm not talking about fake news here, so don't get excited, how the media, whether it be print or video, how they can influence you, which you didn't even think about. It depends word choice, it depends camera angle, it depends what they leave out, what they choose to emphasize. So it's an extremely long chapter. Since this is our last week before finals, I just gave you certain pages to read. I have it spelled out, certain pages to read, and then you'll do activities over those pages in your journal. There's also a short exercise or activity for this chapter. Then there's the checkup. There's only 3 assignments for this week. I know we're getting close. I know some of you need to finish up other things and you have other classes, so 3 assignments, that's it. But get those assignments done. Try to get them done by Saturday night because I am opening the final Sunday morning. There's 3 parts to it. It's an essay to write, but I'm giving you all the information to use to write this paper. Directions explain it specifically. It's worth, I think, 35 points part 1, 25 points, and then 80 points for writing it. So it's worth a lot of points. I don't want to talk about it. You'll understand it. You're going to go back to the Olympic Games in Mexico City. The topic starts there up to today. So remember, I'm giving you all the research. So don't skip over it. There's videos to watch. There's articles to read. I'm giving it all to you to write your paper with. You don't have to do any research if you don't want to. Anyway, it's worth a lot of points. I will put a short video on next week that just toward the end of the week. You only have Sunday to Friday, Sunday the 16th to Friday night by 11:59 to turn the final in. I have to grade it and I have to turn in grades Monday morning. So I have to have enough time to grade all these papers. Okay, I will talk to you very briefly at the end of the semester, but let's get this done. We're just almost there. If you have any questions, call me, text me, email me. I don't care, FaceTime me. See you later. Bye.